Next, I'll demonstrate the tulip stitch. Using 6 strands of color number 1. Let's start with middle pattern. Bring needle up at top. Take down in same spot. Again, don't pull tight. Come up at center. Take down along outer edge. Then come up at upper left. Pass needle through middle stitch. Adjust tension with needle. Finally, take down at upper right. Let me show once more. Come up here. Take down in place. Pull thread. Don't pull too tight, to prevent bunching. Then come up on left. Pass needle under middle stitch. Adjust with needle. Pull thread. Take down on right. Bring it up. Following these steps, complete the remaining lines. Like its name, the tulip stitch. Looks like a tulip flower. Perfect for flowers or decorative accents. Creates beautiful effects. Take it down. Let's look at the result. Now use 6 strands of color number 5 for right pattern. Bring it up. Take it down. Don't pull tight. When stitching, keep stitch tension balanced. For beautiful pattern. Take it down. Let's look at the result.